Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to create a group chat in Messenger. So if you want to create a group chat in Messenger in 2025, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Messenger app on your phone. Once you open it, then you tap on the pencil and pen and paper icon at the right top corner. Once you do that, then tap on create a new group. Then you're going to have the list of friends you can suggest to your group. So I'm just going to tap on 2 different or 3 different people. Okay, good. You can see I have about 3 different people. I have about 2 different people, so I'm just going to make it 3. Then we'll just simply tap on create. You can see right here I have about 3 friends right here. So from here you can configure the member. You can add an admin. I'm the admin because I'm the one that create the group. And also if you want to remove people from the group, you can also do the same. And that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.